In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a super simple salad. We have a few different options here. I've got some packaged mixed greens, some straight packaged romaine, and then some farmer's market goodies here. We've got a couple different types of radicchio and some fresh cucumber. All right, let's get started. But first, I would like to tell you about my free vegan weight loss masterclass. I go in depth on how you can achieve effortless weight loss without dieting or restricting yourself on a vegan diet. The link is below and in my bio. All right, let's get into it. And as you can see, some nice farm fresh. Just take any kind of mustard here and a little maple syrup. Voila, and some water. I hope you got something out of this video. Please like and comment below so I can hear from you, and I'll see you on the next one.